Hello, my name is Chris Mills. I'm going to be doing a review of the Audew portable air compressor pump. Audew is A-U-D-E-W, and if I didn't get that right, I apologize. So I'm going to turn this thing around, and here's the website. There's the compressor and their description. It's for cars, trucks, RVs, bicycles, and other inflatables. Alright, in the box came, here's the box first of all, 2-cylinder air compressor, a carrying and storage bag, instructions, and adapters for the air hose so you can fill up basketballs or what other inflatables you may have. Okay, here's the compressor itself. You see the red cylinder is the dual cylinder compressor part of it. Should make this inflate faster than a single cylinder. And on top we have an analog pressure gauge reading just above 25 pounds. I've let my tire down to that so we have something to watch. This unit has an LED light which I can turn on here. There's the on-off switch for the compressor. We'll do that in a minute. The air hose itself connects by screwing together. Worked well, no problem with that. Hooks to the tire at the valve stem by screwing on, works well. I'll call your attention to this. If you turn this out, in other words, unscrew it a little ways, air will leak out right here, and that is on purpose to allow you to let air out of your tire if you pump it up too high. So we also want to look at the cord. See the cord going from the unit and right up to the battery. This is the method that everyone that I checked with, all websites, reviews, all encourage people to hook to the battery rather than the cigarette lighter. Seems to be safer for the car, and so I'll encourage that as well. So these clip right on. They're not big, so they're not going to go over like a jumper cable would. It's not going to go over the whole thing, so you have to find out, just be a little creative there to get the clips on. Red on positive, black on negative. And there's a lot of cord, as you can see. I easily go from the battery all the way to the back of the car with the extensions. So here we go. We're going to go from 25 pounds up to about 32 and see how long that takes. Not too loud. Doesn't vibrate a lot. See where we're at. We are at 32. So there you have it. I would guess we were running that for about a minute to get from 25 to 32. It did slow up as we got to 32, and it would be interesting to go from 0 to 32 to see how close they came. It would come to their claim of 2 minutes for a P195 R15 tire. You can look at the rest of my article to see the specs and how I compare the specs with other similar units, compressor units. And so that's about all I have, and I thank you for watching.